Every once in a while, a coin gets stuck in your dryer in a spot where it gets rubbed over time. And then you get to find out these aren't really solid copper anymore. I guess it costs more to make a penny if it's made out of copper than it's actually worth. So they use some other metal underneath there and just copper coat them. And over time, it just kind of rubs them down until you can see the other metal. I just think that's kind of fun. Check your pockets, people.